How to remove NordVPN subscription. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you should know that you cannot directly disable the subscription directly from the app itself. In order to do so, simply move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top of the screen, and then head over to subscriptions. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, it will show you all the applications in which you have bought the subscription of. If you have also purchased the subscription of NordVPN, then the application will be available to you in this page. Simply click on the application. At the bottom, you will be able to see the option of cancel. Click on it and then tap on confirm. After that, your subscription will be removed or cancelled, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.